Hello everyone and welcome again to Golden Insights. We're going to give you one last visit to the dahlia bed for this season. As you can see, we've still got a bunch of beautiful blooms, but we've already started to get some rain. We had to trim these back really hard, get a bunch of the blooms off, and they're starting to lose quality and vigor. So we're going to give them one last really good feeding with a new super special product. You'll be seeing this soon in the marketplace, our all-purpose 555. We're waiting on registration from the state. We've got our Omri Organic certification. It's coming at you soon. You'll just have to take our word for it. You'll see it soon. So we're gonna go ahead and apply some of this 555, get one last push of blooms, hopefully get some extra energy down into the tubers so when we dig these up and separate them to save them for next season and share them with our friends and neighbors, they'll have strong, vigorous roots for next year. So to apply this 555, we're gonna do the same thing we were doing as the plants were big with the other Crown Jewels products. We're gonna mix it up with some water with that Xtreme biology, the Azos and the Mykos, to benefit our root zone. We're gonna mix it with some water and we're just gonna throw it right in there. So there you have it. This is our last check-in on the dahlia bed. Hopefully we'll get a few more rounds of good blooms out of here. But we're winding down for the season and now we're focusing on the tubers. Thanks for checking in on another Golden Insights.